This shoe is worth every penny. Sa sobrang ganda ng sapatos na to, ito'y sinuot ni Anthony Edwards instead of the AE2 sa playoffs. This is the Adidas Believe That one. It's Believe That.
Yeah, I believe that. It's Believe That.
And worth it nga ba siya or talagang hype lang ngayon kasi bago? So this was given to us by Adidas Philippines. So thank you so much for that, Adidas. I will still give my honest review on these. Akala ko nung una marami ako masasabing masama dito pero wala talaga at all. So this particular model of AE of Anthony Edwards is a takedown model. So meaning nun, it's basically the budget model for the AE signature line. Kumbaga sa LeBron may Soldier, sa Jordan may mga Team Jordan. Kung naabutan nyo pa yon, kay Giannis yung immortality niya, yung mga ganon. And to be honest, I think nagkamali yung Adidas. Kasi in my opinion, parang mas maganda pa yung nagawa nila for the budget model. I think they accidentally made it better than the signature line. So before we get into the shoe, let's start off with the box. It comes in the orange Georgia box. Believe That is on the bottom side of the box. The AE logo is on top. Anthony Edwards on the side, the size tag with my name on it kasi nga binigay sa akin ito ng Adidas PH, and the small AE logo on the side of the box as well. When you open it, it's just the plain Adidas logo here and the shoe itself with the Adidas and AE paper. They gave me a card. At first, I wanted to show this but they told me not to kasi meron daw atang misprint. But okay, I won't show that. I'll show this though. That's not a misprint. Believe that one. It's Believe That. The upper consists of durable mesh and the overlay is the rubber fish scale-like thing na nakita natin sa AE2. And yon, actually, to be honest with you, ito yung iniisip kong baka pangit doon sa sapatos kasi paano siya magfe-flex in the first place, yun yung iniisip ko. But it definitely helps. Sobrang responsive niya. Sobrang ganda nung pagkagawa nila with the overlay na rubber tas mesh yung ginamit nila sa loob. Napaka one-to-one niya sa foot and I'll talk about the sizing later pero pag naglalaro ako, it's really responsive. I don't know how to explain that better pero responsive siya sa paa ko. And magaang pa siya. Mas magaang siya sa AE1 and AE2. That's mainly because they used less materials here. Piggybacking off of that, the midsole is the Dream Strike midsole which is the budget version of the Light Strike that they use for the AE1 and the AE2. Unfortunately, I do not have an AE2 for now. And yung biggest difference niya sa midsole, wala siyang boost. Light boost, wala. Hindi siya Light Strike and hindi siya boost. But it actually is still an amazing midsole. I think I even like this more than the AE1. Pero mas trip ko pa rin yung Light Strike with boost. This is, again, like I keep saying, the budget version. It's not as bouncy as the AE1 or the AE2. Pero sobrang ganda niya panlaro. It's super responsive. No notes. Combined with this sole, 10 out of 10, both midsole and outsole. Traction and comfortability. For the branding, you have that small Adidas logo dun sa may fins. You have an Adidas logo at the back. You have a small AE logo below that. And to be honest with you, ngayon ko lang rin yan nakita habang tinitignan ko yung sapatos dito. Then you also have an Adidas logo in the inner side of the shoe. And of course, the AE logo on your tongue right there. And then you have your Believe That sa insole and the AE logo on the other insole. And on the right pair, you have Believe written on the toe. And on the left pair, you have that. Bakit? Secret. Siyempre, Believe That. I haven't talked about the outsole yet, so let's get into that. The outsole is this huge herringbone-like pattern with the AE logo right there. To be honest with you, this is probably, in my opinion, is what's going to ruin the shoe. Especially outdoor courts. Kasi even though super durable niya and super ganda niya pang laro sa mga indoor courts, pag outdoor court na, I haven't tested it out. Pero feeling ko kung palagi nyo itong ginagamit, doon madali siyang mapudpud. Yun lang yung magiging problem niya. Depende kung paano pa kayo maglaro, lalo na kung may mga Pinoy step kayo in your bag. I don't know kung tatagal to sa outdoor. Yun lang yung for now, hindi ko masasabi na hindi ko pa natetesting. So the major con that I have with this, yung pinaka problema ko dito sa sapatos na to is also the rubber and the glue. If you can see that there is some glue stains on this. Wala naman akong pakialam na kung kita yung glue stains. I get it. It is a shoe, a budget sneaker. But in my opinion, I feel like in the future, if I keep using this, it's not gonna be as durable as I think it is. Kaya yun talaga yung sinabi kong problem kanina. Hindi ko sure kung pasok to sa durability standards nating mga Pinoy, lalo na if outdoor courts. Kasi for sure itong rubber na to, in the future baka masira yan, lalo na sa bansa natin na sobrang init or sobrang maulan tapos mainit ulit. In the future baka masira yan, but for now, if we're thinking about the present, this is still an amazing basketball shoe. Yun lang talaga. Parang yan, may gasgas na siya dito. Hindi ko alam kung kita nyo. May gasgas na siya dito. I just used this once sa inner court, sa inner court? Sa indoor court. And may gasgas na siya kaagad dyan. The same thing na nagpapadurable sa kanya for now might come back to bite us in the future. Kasi durable siya, yes, kasi rubber lang and mesh. Pero in the future, paulit-ulit, baka masira yan. So yun yung pinaka-con ko lang dito sa shoe na to. And to be honest, for a shoe this price range, you can't go wrong with that. Okay, so for the sizing of this, mukha siyang maliit, mukha siyang maikli dito sa part na to. This is a size 8 na AE1. Nag-size down ako dito kasi mahaba siya. If you compare those two right here, mahaba pa rin yung size 8 ng AE1. Ayan o, tama yan. Mas mahaba pa rin yung size 8 ng AE1 kaysa sa size 8.5 nito, which is my true size. So I would recommend going true to size still. For wide footers, kahit half size up lang kasi it is a bit roomy inside. Noong una kinakabahan nga ako kasi baka laging mag-stub yung toe ko dyan, laging tumama pag nagsa-start stop ako. Pero hindi siya ganon, malambot siya inside, which is actually pretty cool kasi matigas tong part nung toe yung may that or you may believe that. It's not as wide as the AE2 kaya medyo nagulat ako kasi AE2 is more on the wider side. Ganda yun for wide footers. This one is in between the AE1 and the AE2. For the price of this is only 5,500 pesos only no. Ang taas na if you think about it. Pero for basketball shoes in our era right now with the economy, sobrang mura na nun. One shoe is worth 12,000 pesos and one shoe is worth 5,500 pesos. And ano mas maganda sa performance? I'm not gonna say anything. I know a lot of people will attest to that. I actually did not hate it. Ang daming tao nagsasabi na pangit daw yung performance ng 11 Pro Elite. It's not that bad, pero gets ko yung mga sinasabi nila and gets ko where they're coming from. But this shoe, focusing on this sneaker, ito video niya to, hindi naman video nung Kobe. This sneaker is amazing. This came out in a lot of colorways, but for now, the only colorways available in the Philippines sa mga store is itong Timberwolves Blue and the peach na Georgia. But if you go and check the app, marami pang colors dyan. Yung triple white na sinuot ni AE sa playoffs. Gusto ko yung black, actually, the black and the gray one. That is clean. And you also have a white and blue, or I think black and blue. But I don't like that much compared to the triple white or the black and gray. So yeah, in all honesty, I think Adidas made a 1.5 na AE. Kung naalala nyo yung Jordan brand dati, gumawa sila ng Jordan 1.5. This one, in my opinion, is a close 1.5. Combination siya ng AE1 and AE2, guys. Unfortunately, again, I don't have the AE2. Pero yung masasabi ko, yung best parts ng 1 and yung best parts ng 2, pinag-combine nila and you got this shoe right here. Again, big shout out to Adidas Philippines for sending me a pair to test out, to make videos of. Actually, may kwento ako dyan. AE wore this in the playoffs. Like I mentioned probably in this video already. He wore this in the playoffs. Yun yung first time ko siyang makitang suot niya yon. Tapos napaisip ako, ha? Hindi naman mukhang AE3 yon kasi alam ko may mga leaks na ng AE3 yung may mga araw-araw kung alam nyo yon. Hindi naman siya mukhang AE3, so ano yung suot niya? Tapos a few days later, nag-message sa akin yung Adidas Philippines na if I want a shoe na i-test out. And it's the shoe that he was wearing. Pero dalawa pa lang yung colorway na ni-release dito. This one and the peach, the Georgia. And I like this more. Nag-email pa nga ako na, can I have the blue one? Pero sabi nila, naayos na daw yung package and they can't do anything about it. Tapos pagdating sa akin, yung blue nga yung nabigay sa akin. So, I'm grateful for Adidas Philippines for giving me one of the best shoes of this year, best budget shoes of this year. You know what? No, one of the best shoes of this year so far, 2026. They gave me the PR package treatment and everything. They gave me this paper bag right here, which is kind of cool. Hindi ko alam kung binibigay ito pag binibenta yung Believe That one or pang PR lang to. So, thank you again so much Adidas for this. And I hope you enjoyed this video. This is my first performance review. Technically, na full video. Pinalitan ko nga yung Adidas with the orange para magmukhang New York Knicks. I'm not a Knicks fan. I'm not a bandwagon like that. I just wanted to try it out. Kasi mukhang bagay, oh. I have a video on that. Kakatapos lang kasi nung Game 4 ng New York. And what a game. If you know, you know. Hindi ko na-explain. So, with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts on the Believe That pair. I highly recommend this. This is going to go on sale. So, if ever you want a pair and you can't afford it right now, just wait on that sale. For sure, magsisale to. But still, right now, the 5,500 peso price mark is definitely worth it for a sneaker of this caliber. But yeah, I am Matt Quismorio, your average sneakerhead. Subscribe for more sneaker content and don't forget to press the like button down below. And if you want an Easter egg video of a Nike shoe, I have a video on the Jamarant Explorer Jurassic Park thing. So yeah, click that if you want.